show them this right here.
We're going to be making whey soda.
Whey soda. Now bring that out and tell them a little bit about it.
Okay. So when we took our homemade yogurt, we strained it and we strained the whey out of it.
This is going to be very interesting. I swear, if I didn't know any better, I'd swear you were making your own wine.
This is the whey that came out of it. You take a 1/4 cup of this, and you take a 64-ounce bottle of, this is Welch's grape juice, 100% pure grape juice, not from concentrate. Any 100% juice, not from concentrate, will work. Although a lady that I did watch said the orange juice is not good. So she said grape was their favorite, and I like grape soda. So we've been letting this sit out on the counter for a day. We got one more day, and then we're going to bottle it in swing top bottles with the little lids that snap on. And we will be having that set for a couple days, and then we will have soda, like grape soda.
Okay, so basically, if you guys remember the yogurt that we made, what you do is you take that yogurt immediately, you scoop it out of it, you put it into a strainer
with some cheesecloth. This is our cheesecloth.
Yeah, what she did is she took this cheesecloth and tucked it down into the strainer, the metal strainer, and then she put the yogurt on top of the cheesecloth, and it strained out this juice here, which is the whey. And what she did is you took how much of this?
A 1/4 cup.
A 1/4 cup, put it into the jar, and then poured the 100% grape juice on top of that, and you don't shut it up.
No. It needs to breathe and ferment.
Now, why does it need to breathe?
Because it'll explode if you don't, because it's fermenting gas in there.
Okay, so there's no lid on this.
No, it's just
got
a rubber band around it.
You got a rubber band around it, and it's a cheesecloth.
You can use a coffee filter. I just use cheesecloth because we don't have any coffee filters. But if you have what was that called? A pickling?
There's some type of little pickling top on it. It has a little pop-up.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of it.
Pickling pipe, I think that's what it's called.
Okay. But anyway, how many days does this have to sit here? This needs to sit
for 2 days, and then we're going to bottle it up, and then it's going to sit out for another few days. And then we can put it in the refrigerator.
But you have to burp it.
You have to burp it every day in the bottle.
Every day you have to burp it.
This one you don't have to burp it because we have air getting to it.
Okay.
But yes, if it's in the bottle, you have to burp it.
Interesting. And is there any nutritional value to this? I'm just curious.
It's not drinking Coke, so
I'm just saying. I'm just curious. Is there any nutritional value?
I mean, you're drinking grape juice, so you're getting the fruit value of it, but you're also not drinking.
I know, but with the whey, is it anything?
I mean, it's probiotics. Yes, you're getting your probiotics.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. So there is a different. So it's better than drinking grape soda. I mean,
it's all natural.
Yeah, it's all natural, and you're getting the probiotics with it, and so interesting though. But it will have a fizz to it.
Yes, it will have a
fizz to it. You don't have to add no type of carbonation to it or anything like that.
No, so we'll let you see what that looks like when.
Guys, we'll let you know about that. Again, this is kind of right off the hip. We didn't know we were going to talk about that, but we're not making wine.
No,
and I swear, if you'd have known, I'd swear you were making wine.
No,
and so, but no,
it won't be alcoholic. It'll just be fermented. I don't know if it'll be sour or not. It'll just be fizzy. It's gonna make it fizzy.
We let the juice sit for how many days in a jar?
It was 3.
For 3 days, and it was covered up, but we did not put a lid on it because you run a danger on it exploding, the top just popping off. And so, but after that, we decided to go ahead and jar them up, and that's what we did here. And you got these jars from
Home Goods.
Home Goods. Mm-hmm. And so now there was a big thing because we were expecting this foam here that you're seeing. We were expecting to see that before we jarred this stuff up. But in fact, once we put these in jars or bottles and sealed it up, that's when we actually started seeing the bubbles. Mm-hmm. Now what we have to do is every 24 hours you have to burp these things. Mm-hmm. And so if you don't, it builds up a tremendous amount of pressure, and it basically, when you do finally burp it, it'll be like a champagne bottle, like a big volcano erupting. And so what we're going to do right now is we're going to burp each one of these. And so I'm going to let Sandra burp them as I'm holding the camera, and you can actually see this, but when we did it yesterday, it was fizzing up like a soda pop. And so basically what we're making is we're making grape soda, but it's a whole lot more healthier.
Yes, because you have all the unnatural sugars. This is all natural sugar.
And it's probiotic.
Yes, and
on top of that.
yep.
Okay, let me let you do one of them there.
I'm scared.
There you go. You can actually feel it.
Oh.
Yeah, you see that? Okay, let me see the bottle. You can actually see that. I hope you can.
Look up top right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so that's what we did. That we're burping and we're releasing that pressure there. And so next one, and we may get a volcano. Ooh. Yeah, we may get a volcano erupting. Open it up, or that's all we need to do.
Yeah, you gotta burp it.
All right, let me see the bottle. You guys can see that. Yeah, you can hear it. Ooh. Let me see the bottle there. Let them see it. Yeah, you can see it just like a soda pop would. Interesting.
You do this for 3 days, and then we'll put them in the fridge. They won't ferment anymore. They'll just be like, you know, drinking a soda. We're only doing this when they're out on the counter. Woo!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow, that had a lot of pressure in it. Okay, go ahead and seal it up.
All right. Oh my goodness. Okay.
There, you got to get it on the same side there.
There we go. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
So, I mean, we've about pushed the limits on this thing. I think.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think they can go in the fridge, especially that one.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that one, I mean, has it been 20? God, it's about 1:30.
Yeah.
It's
been maybe a little over 24 hours.
It may be a little over 24 hours. So we almost, that one right there was really something else. But that's what we're doing, guys. And so, and you can see the bubbles going up. And so, but this is going to be interesting to do the taste test on this. And so, but anyhow, we'll get back with you and let you know how it turned out. All right, it's time to test these grape sodas, homemade grape soda out. And we've had it in the refrigerator for how long? A day?
Yes.
And we're going to have it with pizza. This is some homemade pizza. Sandra milled the grain or the flour, and so for the dough. And so this is going to be something new that we're going to try out. But anyway, let's do a taste test on this thing. And for safety reasons, we're going to.
Woo! Goodness gracious! Was not expecting that. Okay.
That is, I tell you what, guys, don't have your face in front of it.
And make sure you have these.
Here, let me see the bottle. I can't see the bottle because your hand's in the way.
Do you see the smoke coming out?
Wow, yeah, the smoke is coming out of it.
All right, so yeah, make sure you have these flip top bottles where the top is attached, because if not, it's going to go shooting like a cork.
Dadgum.
Yeah.
And so, all right, go ahead and try it. Is it got a fizz to it?
It has a fizz to it. Okay, so it doesn't taste like grape soda per se. It tastes like grape juice, like a sparkling grape juice.
All right, sparkling grape juice. Alrighty.
It's good. It's really good.
Yeah, but like I said, guys, this is and this is a healthier version to.
Let me pour it in the
to
cup
grape soda.
So you can see the.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
The bubbles.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's very fizzy.
And we didn't put any carbonated water in that, guys.
Nope, just the whey.
It's just whey.
And grape juice.
Grape juice that's not concentrate.
Apple would be really good. I feel like apple would be really good.
Yeah.
So white grape would be good.
So it tastes like a sparkling grape juice.
Tastes like a sparkling grape juice. It's really good. You want to try some?
Wow.
It's got.
I can't drink that. It's got too many bubbles.
It's got a head on it. Oh, there you go.
Well, at any rate, so it is a success. But anyway, this is a more healthier version because it's got whey in it, and
so you got probiotics.
Let me see. Let me try it. It does. It does. It does
good.
taste like sparkling grape
Grape juice.
grape juice.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so that's amazing. It's amazing because we didn't put any carbonation in it at all. It's just whey from the yogurt.
And if you don't make your own yogurt, if you want to buy yogurt at the store and strain it, that's all you got to do.
Wow.
Get your whey.
Good deal, y'all. So that's your bottle. And here's my bottle. I was afraid of it being alcoholic.
No.
We're going to have it with this pizza. And at any rate, maybe we'll do a pizza one time. Do the
Crust.
from milling it to cooking it in the oven. Well, maybe we'll do that again sometime. But at any rate, you guys take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.